nobody came.
Oh, those telescopes?
No, just the outlines. Look through it and see.
Oh.
Kind of cool.
Interesting.
I just kind of outlined what it might have been.
Oh, I love that idea.
I did too. I thought it was.
There is another group coming up. Oh yeah, you wrote about the thing back in Nineveh. You wrote about it. This writes about how they tried the same thing against Jerusalem.
And it didn't work. So the loose stones piled against the side of the mound, north of the car park, are part of the Assyrian siege ramp. Thus notified of the point of attack, the defenders heightened and strengthened the defenses by building a counter ramp against the inner face of the city wall in the southwest corner. The Israelite access road forced attackers to expose their unprotected right side to the defenders on the walls above, the shield being carried on the left arm.
So they built up here so they could shoot down.
You can see where
They were shooting down towards the Assyrians who were shooting up. Huh. You can stand and use the bow and arrow. Go ahead and show me the bow and arrow.
All right, ready?
Come on, I got 3 ladies and 3 bow and arrows. Let's see it.
Miriam, you got the short one.
You pull back with your right hand because it's stronger.
What?
You pull back with your right hand. There you go.
Look at me.
Your left hand holds the bow. Your right hand pulls back the string. Your left hand, yes. Your left hand holds below the arrow. Below the arrow, there you go. You grab that bow strong with your left hand and you pull back, and then you release the bow down into the Assyrians who are trying to invade. Die, Assyrian scum.
Hold on, Miriam and Ruthie. I want to see God. It's a bug eating another bug that you saw. It's the circle. Like
Good morning.
Good morning.
Real digging. Look at you guys go. Just exploring.
Okay, enjoy your time.
guess these are the kings of Judah. So in Hebrew fashion, we would start with Rehoboam and then go forwards in time from right to left. King Josiah here, famous Josian reforms, Joachim, and Zedekiah. Chairs to remember each of those kings. Is this supposed to spin?
Don't spin the top one. It's not like attached properly.
Okay.
The other ones spin, but I don't really see the point. The only bit of text is the stuff right there.
You're trying to match up the Paleo Hebrew text or old text with the modern Hebrew version of those names, I think. So can you recognize those names from their older script? I think that's what this game is about. Ancient Hebrew script, they're comparing the ancient Hebrew script, and then people who know Hebrew can compare it to the modern Hebrew script. What can we see off in the distance here? I'm not sure what places we are seeing, but you do have a long vantage sight to other surrounding cities. So if it's night, you can see their signal fires.